Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Elisa, and she's created 3, so I see all kinds of goodies, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna open this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So here's all her shakers. She's even got a shaker on the bag topper. How cute is that? That'll be so cute to reuse. So we have the vampire lips here. This is the big one. I think mine is smaller than this. There might have been 2 sizes, but I think I have it and I don't know if I've ever used it. But it's so cute. She's got a little pink blood coming from the fangs, and we have a little spider over here. And then we have a bat down here. I love the use of these. These pumpkins are so cute. A little flower. I love the little organza type of trim that she's put under the pumpkin. So cute. And then she's got this coffin full of goodies. Are you going to open nicely? No. Careful not to, there we go. I didn't want to scratch it. So in here we have, ooh, a pin. I like this like pale orange. That's really cute. Because I've gotten some before, but they were more like orange. But this is like more of a pastel-y orange. It says trick or treat. Very cute. Ooh, we have, ooh, this is from Magical Mixery Store. We have this clay bit mix. These are like some chunky, good size clay bits. Thank you so much. This is fun. Love the stars and the moons. So cute. Look at these Smarties. They're huge. They're mega Smarties. We'll save those. We'll put those on my desk. We'll snack on those. So we have a little sequin shovel. We have a little sequin mix here. Oh, it's taped. Let's see. Oh, we have all different colors in here. So we, excuse me. We have some stars, we have some iridescent, there's purple, there's black, I see some clay bits, orange, I think some spiders, and just got a little spider container. We have some cute washi tape, look at the little skull and crossbones, little hearts, and then we have some little felties, so we have some witch hats, the little witch shoes, some pumpkins, a little ghosty and a bat. So cute. And then here is her embellishment box. So cute. I love how she put it in the bag, and she wanted a bag topper, but she wanted it to be easily opened. So she put the bag topper on the bottom so that you can just open it from the bottom top. Like so. And then what she, oh, look at this. This is really cute. I wonder where she got this from. This is so cute. This would be so cute to add into like a Halloween junk journal, traveler's notebook type of thing, is just like a little page. Wouldn't that be cute? So cute. And here's her embellishment box. Love the spiders. We got all kinds of goodies in here. Yes, we got lots of goodies. So we'll zoom in, see all the goodies. So we have these type of plastic gumball beads that are like the striped. We have some wood beads. These ones are really, I don't know if I've seen this one's cute. I like those. We have some spider webs. I've seen those before. I like the plaid ones, like the stripy ones. I love all beads. We have some silicone beads in this one, along with some other little bright beads. You know, I like a good bright color. And then lots of charms. So we'll go through each one. We'll see what she's got. Got a little fuzzy monster, got a little ghosty. Ooh, a little ghosty with a G on it. A little moon, a little bat, black cat, a little witch, and a white cat. I love seeing things like that I haven't seen yet. So there's a little black cat in there. I have a little Grim Reaper. I have these little skellies. I love these little skelly guys. A spider web. We have a haunted house. Another one of those little black cats. A bat. Here's another little black cat. We have a jack-o'-lantern, a spider web, another little jack-o'-lantern, and a spider. And this one, we have some silver beads, but they're like these little witchies and these little keys, little skeleton keys. And we have some silver. Oh, they're not all silver. We have this little witch girl. She's cute. And we have some silver jack-o'-lanterns and some spider webs. We have some candy corn flatbacks right here. Oh, I see some more stuff that I haven't seen yet before. We have this little candy. We got a little witch broom. I love this little black cat. She's cute. We have a little mummy. I don't know if I've seen the mummy in this little minty color, so I like that. A little white mummy. We have a little black fuzzy monster, a little haunted house or church. But look at this little guy. Oh, I like that. I like the color of it. It's not going to focus. So many charms, Lisa. Never have enough charms, right? So another one of those little black cats. And this one is white. It's a white cat. I have a bat. I have the little white ghosty. There's another one in there. We have another one of those little cats or bats. A little spider. Oh, two little spiders. Oh, look at this ghosty, sad. A little bat and a moon. A little jack-o'-lantern. And another little kitty. I like all the kitty charms. All the kitty charms. So we have this black ghost. We have some of the white ghost. We have these ghosty guys and this ghosty. He's a mean ghosty. And then these are all pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns. Looks like. So cute. So many charms. Like, you must have got like just a huge bag of charms, but I love it. I love a good charm. They're perfect for dangles, and there's a lot of I have seen some in here that I haven't seen before, so that is great. I love getting like at least 2 of everything because that makes it great, especially if you're working on a dangle or something for a swap. Usually you're making 2, so I love that. Thank you so much, Lisa, for joining another one of my swaps. She's been in many swaps before, so make sure you give her some crafty love. I'm going to link all of her information down below, and we'll see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.